Bonjour classe, j'ai regardé les devoirs et j'ai noté quelques difficultés. Alors, je voulais vous expliquer comment faire les devoirs. Voilà, ça c'est les devoirs en question. Ok, regarde l'exemple. The people in parentheses are on vacation. Say where they are using the appropriate pronouns. Il, elle, il, or elle. So first of all, you need to know what those pronouns mean. All right. Then you're going to make sentences that basically say that that person or those people are in, that's what the means, in a certain city, okay, or a certain country, okay? So, l'exemple. Cécile. Cécile, c'est une fille. Alors, tu changes Cécile à elle. Tu remplaces Cécile avec elle. Tu comprends? Okay, Cécile, you're going to replace that with the pronoun elle, which means she. Okay? Et puis, tu dois terminer la phrase avec la forme correcte de être. Elle est à Québec. OK, regarde Jean-Marc. Jean-Marc. En français, Jean means John. Jean-Marc. Okay, Jean-Marc. These hyphenated names are very common and popular in French. So, alors, Jean-Marc, c'est un garçon. Jean-Marc, c'est un garçon. Alors, quel pronom? Okay, which one are you going to choose now to do your sentence to make it he? Oui, il. Okay, so Jean-Marc, c'est un garçon. Alors, tu remplaces Jean-Marc avec il. And so how would you say he is in Tours? Il est à Tours. Il est à Tours. Ça va? So, la grande question est, est-ce que le sujet est singulier ou pluriel? Revision. Okay, so here's a revision of être, how to conjugate that. So we are working with these guys here. Il est, elle est. Ils sont, elles sont. Singulier, pluriel. So you need to look at the subject and first determine, is it singular or plural? What am I going to replace it with? Okay, then from there, you're going to choose the right form of être, because that's the difference between saying he is and he are, or they is and they are, right? I mean, just like in English, if you say it wrong, I get what you're saying, but it's not correct. So we're trying to, move up the levels of proficiency here, okay? Okay, so on continue. Singulier ou pluriel, oui, okay. Catherine et Sophie. Okay, est-ce que ça c'est singulier ou pluriel? How do you know? Okay, well, one clue is this A. Okay, so ET means and. So you know it's plural. So then you're dealing with il or elle. Is it they, masculine, or they, feminine? Catherine et Sophie. What do you think? Elle, oui, c'est féminin. Okay, so it's deux filles, elle. So then go back to your notes. How do you say they are in Nice? Would it be elle est à Nice? No, it would be elles sont à Nice. Regarde la différence. Elles sont, plural, they are. Elle est, she is, singular, okay? So pay close attention to that. Look really closely at these subjects because that's going to determine this side. So to review that, you should have these pronouns in your notes. Okay, so take a look at this. You should have these in your notes. I did put them in the module again, or you can pause this and write them down. Okay, and then I go through the translation. Okay, oh, I meant to do it this way. So, for example, le grammaire, les pronoms, il ou elle. So if you have Paul and Bob, Paul et Bob, ça va être il, parce que c'est deux garçons. Amaya et Marie. Ça, c'est pluriel, mais c'est elle, c'est deux filles. Claire, Sue et Luc. Ça, c'est il, parce qu'il y a deux filles et un garçon. So whenever you have a group of people, as soon as you have one guy in the group, it is defaults to il. Oui, c'est sexiste, OK? C'est la langue romancière. C'est normal pour ça, OK? So si tu as un groupe de filles, 50 filles, 60 filles, 61 filles, okay? So you have, 50, 60 girls. Okay, c'est toujours elle. As soon as you have one guy in there, you can have 60 girls and one guy, it's going to be il. Okay, so watch out for that. Okay, the other thing you need to watch out for on the pronouns, not in this exercise, but just if you're taking notes on the pronouns right now, is just that difference between the tu, the informal you, and the vous, the formal you. Okay, when talking to someone with respect or talking to a group. Ça va? Okay, bon courage. Okay, so the second part of this assignment, the one where you're, saying where all these people are, is I want you to do the same thing, except use the verb voyager. So you're going to say, they travel to, or he travels to, all right? So I want you to practice the conjugation, the forms of the ER verbs as well. That's what that challenge means at the bottom. Okay, so if I go back here, when it says here challenge, change the verb to voyager. So you're going to have to do this with être and then off to the side do it with voyager. Okay, if you have any questions, contacte-moi. Okay, au revoir.